meeting, and our meeting is progressing very well. So it is now my task as the outgoing chairperson to let the public know, because we are public officers, we don't do things in secret. So I am happy to inform you that the main target of this meeting was to constitute the leadership for our leaders in local government from Lango. Having sat here, we discussed, and it was agreed by consensus. I want this one to be very clear. It was by consensus. Whatever position I'm going to read, it was agreed by consensus. There was nothing like competition, because all these people, they qualify for that same position, because the qualification is you're a district chairperson or the city mayor. All of them qualifies. But not all of them can sit in that same position. So we have agreed. So in attendance, we have the chairperson for Lira district, RCM Okelorek, who is here in attendance. I have the chairperson for Apac, Ambrose, Agec, Opio, who is there. And then we have the chair for Kwania, KK Akacha, who is present. I have Honorable Nelson Zadea, the chairperson for Yam. I have His Worship the Mayor of Lira City, Honorable Sam Atul. And then I have Engineer Moses Oteng, who is the chairperson for Kole, in attendance. And then I have the chairperson for Dokolo, Tetero Ogwang, who is present. So in total, we have 7 members here. There are 3 who are not here, but all the 3, they tendered in their apology to my desk. The chairperson for Molatar, Ogwalomara, is not feeling well. That's what he told me, but he's in full support of what is happening here. The chairperson for Aleptong, Honorable Ambrose Ongom, has lost the wife to the brother. That's an in-law. So he's already in the center of the planning meeting for the burial, which is taking place tomorrow. And then Honorable Abola was in Otuke. And you know, in Otuke, we have emerging issues, which is there. So he called me and told me, if he was supposed to leave, he will reach here very late. But he said, we can go ahead. So by the attendance, we say it is 100%. I now, therefore, inform the public that we have the new team fully constituted, with the one who is going to take the chair for the Lango Local Government Forum is none other than Ambrose Agec Opio, the chairperson for Apac district. And then we have the vice chairperson is none other than Okelo RCM Oreg, who has retained that position as the vice chairperson. And then we have Ongom Ambrose, the chairperson for Aleptong, who is unanimously accepted in his absentia to take on the position of the general secretary. And then we have Honorable Engineer Oteng Moses, who is the chairperson for Kole, who is going to be the publicity secretary for this institution. The last position is going to be taken by His Worship Honorable Sam Atul, who is going to take the position of the treasurer, the money. So by the powers that were entrusted to me by the previous district chairperson, I now unanimously declare these results as authentic, and shortly I am going to do the handover. But our mutual agreement is to promote unity. I was elected the other time. You know, in Lango here we have 2 major districts. I was from the east, Greater Lira, and these people sat and agreed that that position, as a matter of balance, should go to the Greater Apac, which is Apac, Kwania, Uyam, so Kole. and that's why he has come. So it is a unanimous agreement, and I think this is how Lango should move forward. I want to thank the team for entrusting me with that position, and I think the next item which is here is the handover of the office. You know, before I hand over the office, I want to enjoy it for just 1 minute.
Before he enjoys, we have agreed.
I want to say, in leadership, it is not where you start the leadership from, but where you end is the most important thing. And I want to thank God for allowing me to sail through the 5 years, and right now I have landed my plane. You know, with the plane taking off and then landing. Those are the dangerous areas. And landing is the most dangerous. I think on behalf of the people, my colleagues here and the people of Lango, I have safely landed the plane. And on that note, I take this opportunity to do the handover. In our handover, I have talked to my secretary, who was our record keeper, Honorable Chen Kiring, who is now the Member of Parliament. He has arranged the file. He wanted to be here, but he's traveling and reaching here tomorrow. So you will have in our file some minutes which we have been sitting and then approving. And then we also have the edit paper, which we are using.
Yeah.
Our next step, which should be your first step, is to get the official stamp in line with that edit paper. And then I'm also happy that the new team has a draft constitution that will help to harmonize other areas. And that is the task that you people can take. But nonetheless, by the handshake, that means I've handed over. Can I now call upon you so that I do the official handover while the file will be given to me, then I will give it to you. So, we can have this one, symbolic. So I want to take this opportunity as the one who was steering Lango sub-region, as the chairperson. I want to thank God for the time He has given me, and I want to welcome my brother, who is the chairman of Apac. You take over this office. I give you the blessing that was given to me to continue in this office. Thank you so much. So you can have this one as a starting point.
Yeah.
So, members of the press, we are done with the handover. I want to start by congratulating the chairman of Apac, who is now the chairperson for Lango Local Government Leaders Forum. I want to congratulate you, the vice, the secretary, the treasurer, and also the publicity upon receiving that new office. I want to wish that God should guide you people and you move forward. I also want to thank my team that elected me. I'm happy to see two of them here, Honorable RCM, my brother Sam. The trust they gave me, I want to thank you for that. I want to thank you. They extended even my term of office. When I came back to them after two and a half years, I said, please, my term is over. They said, no, go back. I said, why? Then you go back. Where are you going? So as a loyal person, I had to submit. As much as it was not an easy task, but I want to thank them for that. Okay. So, Anami Dani, Apo Elder Pi guiding, Apero Anatiro Copa, Ami to name your dang, Ami wing any timber one or two can each other, with you Ginora, Iratek, and a guiding kind of Richaki, Ginamachiel, or one of Binobedo, a strong regional voice. Binobedo Wanachiel, long. Eka duone no woro bod judicial woro bod government woro bod tedero woro bod members of parliament woro kaberu dushu duon wani yen ubino miyo aduong logo ya ko office mere te bino bara legi ikara me kope insecurity operatie utuke eka duon nacha karama aduong logo bina medam to ko aduong logo attack tamma me wano te bino miye wano guiding endang ibedwa utako bene team wa deployment mo wano tin lokwa commanders me 3rd division the 5th division eka da utako bene gin police pen wano jiho chahoro tuhe gin police ni no tawo ngani po chahare ere nungu chinga me gino ga wani en utamaka bola ana ta porra ta ngwacha ba atala nyoto ka police ta ko bi jonda tiene ka to ki gorbo ako beduonge jone lolo jone jonda to hagi pe iya don jone jote mi regional police command to hango anyen
Wonderful.
au te mi dang DPC ma lep to to hango ko to ha jone pe so adung lo bute ye kwa shwa du ta lok 3rd division command 5th division command te kelwa to kadi anyen e ka ginna me amita ko bod jone ye jo bi na nyen ko pe 1 billion o yaay bar legi ikara me jono ko bani amano mi adung do ngeni e mi wa greda all right edo kwani ya pero no greda mi kwani ya ngo greda siti dang pero no kirikane ba kana edo pe hawa do tiyo bero ngo mo adung lo butak we members of parliament ti winyu ngo ajona ko mom let's go to parliament. I will also go to cabinet and do something. So 1 billion because of this forum amoya don't join a team. They deserve to be thanked. The 1 billion has now benefited. I'm very happy the president is now very positive. And I think we need to thank God because God used us to do that.
I'm a beneficiary of the 2 billion.
Exactly. William is now on track.
2 billion.
Then another issue. When there was the court injunction on Kotibuje, one of the nungo imong amekobani take court injunction on mede kope you a yairo kunye beo bino kwania ya maro kopo pien kuena koti ye chene gafene po balango ye kara kopo bino boro ato Kotibuje utone no kwena kote ti ye auto kopo kwa duchi kunacha that committee take committee one day deck for the Chief Justice. He was there and utie keram.
The press is recording.
Honorable RCM Okelorek, who was my vice, and then His Worship Mayor Samatul keram uto the Chief Justice. Ichao tunu both Chief Justice. Umiana ko bid one long but one alone. Chief Justice taya come mere meloj. Tedu beru kedwadong ordinarily. Ni kopti ni ngo tako ni kopti ari ok ken ti twer ni ikwanye wa ngo injunction tena ngol ko pa me kiri injunction atano inende te ko pere tako ni umegena awinyo ko kumano yo gangen no
okay, that was the language
arabi bedo abi do hay komacha abi ti yugi noro dushu feo tero chabera rio.
It was actually 1 week.
1 week court injunction. In the month you got Buja to Chakoti Chawan. Abe Miro, Lela, Miro on a Chief Justice attack. He teach the officer. Amana Umacha Winnie, you were a chak to Narundo Kidgum, and which is very good. Then Kubera one Oberukere for the first time, one of Olga president. Amoya Lang. Feoberu Tang and a chair. Edo we strategize ourselves. Another thing, one of lobbying, make a law, Olga meeting, very Lira City. I remember Karawana Woro. Kita gino yera kita chalanga dati sini, anata o tipping en, anako biti cha morame. We pay core, jodo nyo kere nying. Woro cha claim yo kore Lira na mitongo, Lira City, kere Lira district, and I'm hosting. And they are making that pronouncement. They don't want to me jota warning. We are going to Lira. Kita don't want to lobbying kereno. Gino bino kelu chende Pachakana. Lira district kerengo. City that hosting. I want to thank that one. And okay, one or two the Lango parliamentary group. You come dini. ame unu pay budget kara wano kir don kara chiela dong logo te yie te bino loro chene den were na is your company ngo okay and then eno kena dong ti wano utimo beru lobbying ame ti dong yo mo ke lang ka ti amita pura ena wora laptop woro tuke woro bobi ena wora molatar Apac da do miro ber connected kiru yam ire lam yo be tu nga papun teo pun nyasha me don ko bare pe na ka be do sa yo miro wuri nenu wonno eka ti chu Canada won miri ngi dispute per any districts one obino bedo
All kinds of disputes.
all disputes tissue pir tek ta dispute ka ruchi morti rombe kina chairman kire ka onyo kina civil servant wana woro yamo woro tieho woro molata woro tieho woro danga pach tieho o doholo dautum dera city dera district ta woro yebudu tetu maber so umiwana ko buni ginin tekelo note attack utija government ta ko wor don gino Canada ubedo timera mera ko bu regional council meetings ubedo tiena poll data moni manda ubedo kelo wakara chel memi watich kara chel so eno kena me ubedo very successful kara me moñ ubedo into conflict kere jome amolata the fishing community unu nektie joneho utadera poll wano to wona hakina pacho kwena jo yihulile ye to tracing the history kunu kubere chairman na monata utelungo chokara me odong muny te bini ye ana wora beri ye on behalf of these people odong munyo pa kisha borwa at first gina ko winde ngope ere chado wano kelo evidence silent wanda ko edong lumni lokko dong munyo ko dango te bi lokko gi tuj eno mi ambolata te kwe so mano ber gina me wano tiu kara chiel so pi man ara kwe yuni duonu nin long ku you know meno duonu nin long apelare ti unu kre duon nin me konyo ngo dwat melao now kado ana giko amide danga chala woroho achimu ginara ya dek one of you nan unu government resources mere perongo jotuchi eto kitame wini strategizing kere te wayunu kere ena kero dongo tijamo kena me ame wan potio winera mane chane ni bunyoro lamti romo kucha duju pingo pien jede ko bingo mo ti konacha eta na mi yuwe mo achel uba peker lonyo duji telobo eno kene biri wilobo one of you kene the lake I am telling you people of Lango pi ya wana ne te wote kanen pi lonyo jo kene pe oneno ka lake tegi kuni lake wania lake yoga River Nile mo be ko ne Apac district me dogono kwania amolatar Apac wot kedu yam chak me you government do you get a strategic plan unu miro developing what we call Lake Yoga River Nile Basin strategic development plan me kwanyo pino kelo inland better irrigation the people are in Egypt get to pino medon edo pini ti kwene mi ugini bet ko palao government mo do you get a separate plan ka peg nung donors I am telling you kagino timere Lango ability food basket peme Uganda kena hatun do beho bien anungo jema jo puru kano Europea korokot it is possible it has worked in Netherlands it has worked elsewhere anabiri guma woro India karabiri won come je konaido is not about court kumdong kope kota chwe ngato paro pe jo umo kwena piti ye otaye ko don kot kime chem omiya doga kona ngene wan lao karo tikire gol ame wan tikire mbero pino so beruno pin I will be there with you people no technical people konyo pino one turning to our opportunity that is a silent goal irrigation then another thing obedo kopmele leyi bala dok iromi diegigi ana ya leptong tuke kere kan no kena meti la kan ka lera bor kan one poti utishu kere yora be ma goko leje me kelu chente edo gina doka chene ti ya duong boro leji an chuona ka jowati apito sunflower ame ka do che wiete be romi boka ni peda mo ha chelba mo ha binu ja doka ya kira chel edo ko dano ni por menu ene kono yik te ketu kirma goko leji yora be wor char dia chel million a dek tawil chem ture te do chulo dino me da kwan
Tina penye dia ko million a dek la habi.
Yang
ameti crossbreed.
so
Mawara ti million a bit.
olok uno tamwa olok tama jowa uno o embracing uno pitu dog me chak pitu dog me riu dog chenne ti ye kakana me pero puru ginoro podi another thing obedo fruits petty fruits ara wuchu kerpe the jackfruit mano we ho yine na do woro kwano gine tete mo toke to supermarket ito kwanyi ko mo da titiri metu te chele mi abi o miu jo wa pit fruits yen fruits akari climate lo herni ngo en pengo beto this is another area and then come irrigation let us advocate small scale irrigation targeting small scale farmers and then another thing I'm going to strengthen really now obedo cooperative farming cooperatives. This is the only vehicle that can take our people from poverty to riches. The encouragement into cooperatives, accessing these inputs, correlate in better yacht. The cooperative will in bulk. Tebino me you poor, you will let affordable. There no kilo quality. And you take the mechanism checking. Take one your way counterfeit. Even bulking, even processing. I am always disturbed. Poor I can. Here poor sunflower. Auto will sunflower. Chilling me and when you near beach. At the inner me poor sunflower. They will look sunflower ni. Totally factory. Touch out sunflower cake to me a d. A chill, kill a chill. Chereba. More pero char. So one of you poor with you beru chan. At the Jomoti along why can't we also go for processing through cooperatives? Atamani man, Kireno can be winning you. Tiu karacha. Eka kwacha dung boro pira takini. Ticha mito jalle. Pei nung nang chawa ba. Ero kai winyi chairman lu chokere. Jal kong meri rang ni vice tigi noro. Ngwachi wini beri ribu karacha. Kai winyi complain oro ya itu boro ni koporti kan ke bin. Buya adjusting very fast. Ana mit nia puo. Kita wini kwa ni yan kare kono bede ti ofo. Meeting waro beri ana jolo. Yang gina pira tech proper position and major service. Everybody change my service. Even from outside you can serve. And me ane karame por kui. I was the happiest. Why? Biar anak kau macam cila kono bah. Ini mi ada left hong kum. Anak beri interim chairperson. Doha itu macam doha me karang me beri kau kerja di sini do. Biar anak beri kona hega. I am very happy about it because I need to thank God for what He has done to me.
Very much.
Even the next step, it is Him to work it out.
Yeah, and you will work.
And I'm very proud to be the former district chairperson, but still serving Lango. Lango is our target. So, press, I want to thank you. And I'm also telling my colleague that when you see the call from the press, don't ignore. Whether you call me at night, I will call you back. Even a Karisha Meti, let us talk it out. So maybe it is the press that will make you achieve. Pain and press as an enemy. Press in copy in a job and copy. Press Kelo one jo ame one miru serving cha. In Kelo to the pair. So akwa you wouldn't do it chairman. Be the number journey to it. I know miss call gohe unang kau go bari kai go inu ada pe ana duga chalo message ko team meeting kanu kada no dihi I will call back to find out. Even other members be check the press and always here radio more can take go him, we will find him responding. I want us to emulate him also. I worked with him. Pay very aggressive to the press. Akaro bina mo ti hukomi. We are human beings. Get on a bit of battle. Everyone do you harmonize the work already? So let us work with the press. They are very vital for us. In the name of president, we you go chair. The ring over rain. Press and no. By changing one word to your Mahabora, one to be Bangkok. Cannot be. Is it Pacific? No, Bangkok. One of you Coca Canwa. Got a copy of Tunukene. But I don't know. No, don't know ring. So press. I am emphasizing now. Press and shipping. Press. I want to thank you so much. I think I have done my part. I now conclude by saying, the chairman, you can now guide us from where we are. The next item was your communication.
Kami tapojo tu chametikan. Apoyo na rotoba tek to 12. Kwanya wanda chelo kele wakan. Karamera mitapo the outgoing district chairperson, Honorable DK Odo, the Chunya may in Quanyo, the maturity of my Nuru, we want to hold the meeting in the 1 2 years, each hour. Near Ambrose, Agec, Opio, but district chairperson, Apac. Kakara, Kedakaka, district chairperson, Duke, Maki Lao Sabri. Amita po attack 12 igina metiu wuni chawani mimi ya wunu twero metel Lao South Region District Chairperson and Mayor Faram yi langa loro amita po attack gina po bero ni anado attack ala duchu District Chairperson so metikani edo bero pimara the children not there. Ame district chairperson which is Lao South Region. Omio, you want your bed carachel to Nanoni, Langa down in Wango. I want to take carachel. Do I want to board your carachan, one of me to find your beginning Wango. I want to be on carachel. Mamiana Covani, Malabero again, Kerichunja Mara Major Euro. The one in the road Tieni, Kerun press it, you would, and I want to meet a poor attack. Urunu kuri kobo ni yera maro bero pe kache jo bero pe ngotong ni ya kina wa wano tikane do amenu dike na no tiatalo jo ten ni ya kina ko to ko ni pe Agec Opio yin kay tel wa doxi kara wa do cha ko ma ta jen man gina me woni worri kobo no ko kume yera maro bero pe ka jo do te ye wa kiel la nga mane wano kero office bearers wa do amero ti jo be amero ti ka Karamera bina po mayor is worship. Me ye wana nge bibe ni area mere. Ko bero gina yod. Ka wo kida ye wangu ko ko ya wuru kai city. Eto jolo wa krebara da eno tero lego. Na mi yo meeting bero tie. Price ametikana mitapo inyuru no mara, inyuru no chunya be. Meta me bil mi wuru lwange ngo ametia time Lao South Region na loro. Gina pira tak tiene price wanu jolu forum do chame wano tie ye ye return wano chako jana ber tral dana ko be honorable DK press awur ma ci shware nginna no gënu ti apay dush dan time and again tangino go ya gëri chim kado pagamo oro to adwa ko chimoro mana mi tibet chade do mi do ko yun jome press ni ana tikeru keri ci apasu do karachiel menna no ne gënu ke ken na woni mi to information noro ana ti roede memi yu ngeyo mo amati meducho yi Lao South Region lor dana kwa yo district chairperson warna ni umaru no press kita woni winyuru DK ko bokere te ko goy chim kiri no team meeting yiri ko ni poda team meeting adu borre aite dog borre ka in ke press do ko bokani ana voice of Lao ana unity and maybe around wa an kedu kwene yi ko ka cha ko boko nyi kana mai tiye awan to ngi ko ni mo press ato ko ni waron do team meeting adu borre Domia Koboni, Tini and Pamita Locapol, but Anagamo office Kermara, Agamo office Meconyo Loan, office ni Cheta Morope, Eto Gina one to you, and a man and loud down, they work on a one of Guinea. Amita poor Jumbo Tucho and a Caramere, DK, Karachek team, Honorable Rick, CM Rick, Rick, RCM, Rick, Karachek. Worship Samatul, Ginameti is recommendable. And then one man can and that tie lamb yard on a pie to Lirakan. You're going to beat the killer, you're going to be not on your city. So, if what a man anyone, a car wouldn't you would do meeting a would be, you know, and I worry and what he would. So, I'm a poor what take 12 pig in a wood tea, you know. A time that he leg won't appear one job, may do you know. One of the check a canoe, one level, a wood wear, you know, one of the hotel canoe. I'm ready to position and be lobbying. You look at Canamati and Mitiki Quene. I'm ready to go for it. Yen government do here to Kidushu, Petit Canarmedo and Paneo. Nepara worry. Through your effort, joining together. Take over Uni Sasa. Connect and Lubu Yoni. Anna Yore. Again, I won't have voice near. Get your PH when you want to meet with the Minister of Law Government. Pekawati A, B, C, D. And no correct your bill war. A quan Jomario, quan Vice na. Nira. Kwanchenyo akalima nira city woru ko Kampala wandu do to be ketewi meja to koni Nelson Adair wanu do Kampala gina mo beru tien mini lao gina romantia biri lao gina romantia biri lao gina romantia biri lao gedo to na chano beru validation you know very well lao pour donc chien na taka validation on our product kita me dike ko bukele we have a lot of raw materials. Airport. City must be connected with airport. Manager and your keyboard studio will here be on board. Keyboard will be airport. We need a very beautiful airport. I'm going to dig it to open up a partnership.
Even tourism.
If you have tourism, multi big to build time. Yeah. And the tourism, Apac Kucharatia advocating so much. A woman minister of trade that will be on and Gote, Boja Cotiano Loom, they're not coming up, Mechako Duketo. At least structure Mora Meromi, Mundo Chakobiro may be there. Yes.
Every week.
Yes. Exactly. So with tourism, we are going to handle again on a laptop that we also have a very good site. Exactly. A Molatar, we also have a very good unique. Even city here, even city here that take tourism tourist sites exactly. Those kind of things. We need to be impressed in this forum so that we fight for the better. Within the Lao Sabrejo. Even though we also have another very beautiful site.
We are constructing
Kabalega.
It's under construction.
It's under construction.
That's right.
It's under construction.
Even by lawyer.
Beautiful.
It's under construction.
It's under construction. Exactly. Exactly. Mo do you impression ko do to tell Minister of Tourism. Do take kelewa income.
We will pay Abiera.
Abia boy. So about gas. Yes. So I think to mention but a few, those are the areas I may want to uniting together. Okay, all these tourism sites, don't you? Auto mention one by one to them. Maybe you're coming out, maybe you want to know in all our respective districts. Antin pamita look upon your TP program support a member T. Amita Pu Majal Chava Pober Bina Yot. We have so many commitments. But Chava Majala Wurni, be a tech, they want to be a Karachiel, Nanone, one to what Karachiel. Quachado Tieni, Kaina Una Kukuduro, we loka. Kiriko for 30 minutes or so, maybe 1 hour. I will endeavor met a new Benuni meeting, where I will have a few things. I may not hear, and then I'm about him. Together we can stand. Divided, we are not going to move. This is my emphasis. When I know one or two can carry senior portion of matured, held our honorable nation at the idea. Kira wa mangini petty grana moloya. Exactly. We take it honorable at Tursam and worship Lord Mayor Medati Kira Wakan, I made a petty grana moloya. We take it mayor of the city. We take it RCM, Okelo Rig, then a baller from Mutuke. Those are senior people that are guiding one job for Donyon. And time and again, we shall be consulting you, Chief Advisor. Please receive my call anytime for the advice you are going to give us. And we shall time and again be together with you to guide us on what we can do. There are areas that you don't care, may pay me one meal, but we shall sit down together with you. I don't know, keeping and can and your Pori your cannon, Doctor your man, Mario Waruchoro, where you. Atama no want to work together. Atama for time be well. Gikakan, better for your bang attack, undu chame biru uno, better for your jome press, undu ye better kerwa karachiel, unadone la work karachiel a bear. Ko man pio bang na kere lo wala. Ba yo.
You can jo peteng e won you can. Yes. So ana lungo kan. Wano take it away from a beach.
Odong do nyuno kan ba ne nuno teno wan.
Gine tikane. Tikere lira, tikere dohoro. Kana meini. Kana famerti
Ani ene dong.
Adung fammi no ene. Mane en kole. Man kole ene.
Mana ngeo. Manda ngeo. Manda ngeo.
Ka mane ne. Man kwani.
Okay. Yes.
Eka adeku kene peti kan pien jema to dio.
Okay.
Lungo wa lungo kan ko dungo me ko poj ko.
Okay.
Ni chalo poj me la.
La ke ruat ko.
Ko ko me jolo. Tela me
Ne
la.
ro ko la ke mi pa ni.
Ko le ko ni. Oba mir mi gung.
Boy.
Yen tini ti osen ya. Endo ti kan ni. Do chingor ke ken na me gino bino borri. Tide jola kede. For your information. Ni anono. Ada chukuri kan ni city kan.
Yes.
Cho ente chulu cholo roba. Ero ko na kada chulu cholo na mi no. So tan mi ko mata. Ko mata.
Yes, ana po you no. O don he wa me district ke city. Kana ma chela po you ba. Me mi wu either do hi office wu ya me ti ya chon. When you do office, bina office anyen. Un piro tek to ali I dom e lao. I dom e Uganda dushu. Ame miro pay taking uno. Office a wuni don you wuni yeni, you office a meti me de wuni yeni. Pay taking uno for granted. Yen lao no nen we wang a query. Lao no maru. Eto lao no tia me to don logo. So manuna machel, ana po bang ye. Ni wuni medde wo makere tissue no. You come better here for the next 5 years kita me dan jo ye ru kere. Kita do unai lunga unu kere kan ne amita kobja mario. Mi ro me ya yi era do pe wine ye. Dan pa yi khere. Of course me achiel me pu you me bino kan. Man turu en ba.
Boy.
Ka ginoro tie ti me tu ni ti me tu bino beru ni jo moro kan no kan tie ginarachi wan la wan po mi runu beru kom kan na ngicha bera me beri te lingu ti o mi no kero regda ko bani pe onu ngeo ni kan tie tin.
This is true.
So please mi beru unu kom kan pien kade o yiko kite dok jok pete bini ye no da ko nyera bere pe.
Yes.
So ma na machele na mario ana mi ta dok don ko mi competition na ma wuni don wuni ye ni ata mo joken yakina wunge ani ana bero Chairperson the City Service Commission boss na en. Kita gino Canada do hana timo any teacher. Na mangi yinyo da choki weko. Obedo ni Minister of Public Service obino ko be one chairperson me Uganda dushu. Ni gino know a lot of complaints, know a lot of issues, and I from individual districts. Gino meti area chela with allowance of region yet. Gino year dana cheli yakina gi among the chairperson. Gini kita uneti bedu no kede kandi. Me wa dok ako poro tie me ameti chwari public service. Gino ngo chwalu bo down the compiling the chwal. Dogin jo wani dang gin no bino yera an me bedo coordinator gi. So mi an kom da ngeu abu bera kita me jameti ati me ke.
Un kom nyen da na me dong ti kire.
So en na do en do wando en kom won kom do polva. So aman ni ana tia kwa yu nikita na neno ke de pe hoi turu ani. Kopeti pe hoti ya do. Ame wuni cha dusu tia blaming one ni jone ti corrupt ni jone ti mongo et one no po tu ti chuno kara chiel ne cha koneno ni jami ni ajoti ya kopo ni corruption ti bini kwene inu cha mandang megu ni na obedo ko I kona mere e ka ton plug da te bedo ko nyo chikao na te bedo ko e kona mere coordination not te bedo pe a jami ni cha ko ti mere kan mano ka wine mi uno jamo chako ti mere kitu ne open une Pandora's box for no jo ameti o ka cheme ginango mi roketo ruju so anati expecting ibinu wa uni binu uno ni ko temu uno mi uno la ko bed let's be known for something good
Yeah.
Piani cha do you know jame do theater da do adu mi undo kun chu ni ke tieno ata ko bi wana do bi ko do mi ti ko mi ko la tim ginala pa so one wouldn't care what wuni offices near your mogi district mogi yo can put pero care but wouldn't care what wunu one we shall work for you one for me to learn new one copy ni copy will teach you and doing me ya binu ko bi ni one your door wa gire at city can peramati me can for a very chair so man na ntam kan na kwanda ke man no ki unai do wunu ke copy wiu neo ni no do beach me do ma boro wan du sure rate uno Kampala bang ya tami winyo da do ko so manda wan wor uno te lo kuno dai ba chiel kuno no wan po mi te jo wo dog bet ka dong lo he wiwa wan nan ka ko poro tie wan na lo uno ko ka pe ko maro ken tie wan na tu nen pien en Uganda wan du shumaro da wan du mi tu wor uno nyim so ana po yu uno bino kono no duong di ke ko ba chon no da bollo anang ane da ko do da maro ka chai eto no wo ki maro dang e yabo dang wiye da maro ke da ko da ke to ko kan atu ti amit